Hi, my name's Rebecca, and I'm part of the Career Services team here at Fanshawe College. I'm going to talk to you today about how to prepare for the career fair, what to do during the career fair, and how to follow up with employers. The best way to be prepared is to visit Career Services. We're going to show you everything, a series of workshops as well for doing your resume, how to prepare, how to make sure that resume is good, along with your cover letter. How to do interview prep. We have a bunch of things at your disposal, and we want to make sure that you have all the tools. You also want to make sure that you know who is going to be at the career fair. You've got plans, you know what you're looking for. Let us help you look at the employers that are here. Check out the webpage. We have a list of the employers who will be here at the career fair so that you can start prepping your questions, because you do want to make sure that you have questions to ask the employers so that they can see that you're engaged. You want to make sure that you're practicing your networking skills. You also want to make sure that you are dressed professionally for the career fair. Come on down and see us in D1063. We have the career closet where we have all sizes, all ranges to make sure that you look professionally prepared to attend the career fair. So during the career fair, make sure that you approach each employer with a smile and a handshake and be ready to answer their questions. Have that elevator pitch ready. And then make sure to ask for a business card. You want to be able to follow up with the employer after the career fair in order to secure some of those opportunities that you're starting to find. It's going to be extremely busy during the career fair, so we want to make sure that you're not frustrated. Allow yourself plenty of time, join the line, smile, because everyone is still watching how you're behaving, even if you haven't approached an employer yet. It's very important to be mindful of how you're coming across. You want to be friendly, but you don't want to be pushy. So you've done all of the preparation, you've checked out all of the employer booths, you've had a really great day, but what do you do afterwards? Make sure that you go back to all of those business cards of those employers and send them a thank you letter, along with your well-prepared resume that you've come down to Career Services to have help with. Remind them that you met them at the career fair at Fanshawe College, and let them know what sort of opportunities that you're interested in. If you don't get any communication from them, that's okay. You can still go back to the drawing board and continue with your job search. Happy job searching.